Hey beautiful people, this is Asani Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. In this video, I'm going to put together a full face of makeup using some of my favorite products. As you can see, I'm starting with the Nubian 1 palette by Juvia's Place. In my opinion, this is the best palette that she has out thus far. It's so versatile. You can wear it during the day and at night. You can create so many different looks using this palette. It has earth tones, shimmer tones, transition tones, and even a smoke tone in there. I really like this palette, and one thing about it is it's super affordable. So watch me put this look together using the Juvia's Nubian 1 palette. Okay, now that I finished the eye look, the eyeshadow, the last thing I'm going to do is add some liquid eyeliner. This is the NYX matte liquid eyeliner, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes. Now that I have my eye look complete, I'm going to prep my face using the Ideal Radiance Illuminating Moisturizer from Artistry. I'm going to use this as a prep, and then I'm going to do some color correcting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the red to cancel out the dark spots under my eyes. Okay, now let's get to the foundation. I am using the MAC Studio Sculpt SPF 15 as a foundation, and this gives you a really natural skin finish. I really like it. And I'm also using the BH Cosmetics V12 Vegan Flat Top Foundation Brush to buff out the product. As you can see, I've already started to highlight, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I like to apply this to my under eye area after I put on my foundation to the tip of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And as you can see where I put it on my eye, I want to go ahead and give my eye a cut and upward look. I used to use tape, but I stopped doing that, and I use the concealer instead. Now I'm buffing the concealer out using a MAC 132 brush. I actually went into MAC and was talking to one of their makeup artists, and I was explaining to her the look that I wanted to achieve with the highlighting. And this was probably like 4 or 5 years ago when highlighting first came out, and she kind of guided me to this brush. So it works really well. It pats the concealer into your skin. It just gives it a natural finish, and this is a really quality brush. I paid a pretty penny for it, but it was totally worth it. Okay, now that I've added the concealer to my face, I'm going back with my B12 brush with the foundation that's already on it, and I'm just going back in and blending and making it look more streamlined. I'm also going to take some Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to set those areas that I highlighted. Now let's get to the contouring, you guys. I'm using AJ Crimson's Artistry Kit to do the contouring on my forehead. Now this foundation kit is another one that is so light skin. We have matte foundation and we have satin finish foundation, and this is definitely on the satin natural skin look. I absolutely love this foundation palette. I actually have both tones. It's so awesome, but watch me contour and create a more sculpted face using this product. Alright, once you finish contouring and highlighting, it's important to go back with your foundation brush and blend everything in and give it a more streamlined look. You don't have to add more product. You can just use the foundation that's already on the brush. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm adding lips here, and I'm using the Milani Cosmetics number 24 in Black Cherry. I am also a fan of this brand as well. And then we're going to do some highlighting with the Becca highlighting, and then I'm using a fan brush from Crown Brush here. Okay, let's talk about this highlight. I usually really like to put it in the same place that I applied the cream highlighting product there, and I use that fan brush to go ahead and distribute the product on the high points of my face. The last thing I'm going to do is add some blush. I'm using the Sahara Blush Palette Volume 1, and then I'm going to go back with my foundation brush and blend it into my face so it doesn't look so red. Now that was a look, you guys. If you like this, go ahead and click like and share it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and if you don't do anything else today, be kind to one another. Thank you.